In this video, I'm going to show you how to create blinking animated flowchart using ChatGPT. So all you need is to open your ChatGPT, log in, and then you can come to the chat area over here and you can just paste in any prompt. Like an example, I give this prompt: create a blinking animated horizontal flowchart. You can make it vertical with the following specifications. Use a font similar to this. Center the flowchart on the page vertically and horizontally. Use green rounded rectangles. You can change it. You can say use multicolor if you want. Okay. And rectangles for each of the steps with white text include. You can specify everything that you need, and then you can say use HTML or CSS and JavaScript to actualize the blinking of animation. So you can just go ahead and click on enter, and within just a few seconds it is going to generate that particular flowchart. You can see it is using HTML and CSS plus JavaScript to generate all the codes that you need to have the blinking interactive animation flowchart. Okay, so it has given me the HTML code for the flowchart, so I can just copy, and I'm going to use this W3 Schools compiler to run it. You can access it by just coming to your browser and just type in W3 Schools and the button here.com. So you brought in here. So let me paste in the link over here. Once I paste, I'm going to click on run, and this is going to give me my multicolored blinking animation. We can see blinking flowchart animation. You can see it very nice and fantastic. So you can export this also if you want. You can get it to your website if you're interested. If you find this helpful, please leave a like.